The plan was I was going to paint the headlight housings, but this headlight is very foggy, like the lens is. So I just wanted to get new ones, so I didn't have to deal with the crappy fogness. Engine. Headlights. The only bolts you're going to need to take out are going to be these right here, these two. I believe they're like 10 or 13 or 11, 12, I don't know. Okay, so those bolts are 10 millimeters. So, those two, and then these two on this side. And then we can start yanking. I'm using a little extension just because it's easier to get to. Make sure you get the washer with the bolt so you don't lose it. Now the other side. This is one I'm excited to I'm excited to replace both, but this washer is actually stuck into the headlight because I'm pretty sure I tightened it too much when I was changing to LEDs. You can probably just get a screwdriver and pop that out, wherever one is. Okay. Well, that's really in there, people. Huh. So if you wiggle it a little bit, it comes loose off of the mounting points. And if you wiggle it a little bit more, it should just pop out. Like that. But be careful of your bumper so that it doesn't scratch it. I've done that once already. It pops out. So next, all these plugs that you see are gonna have to come out. That's a little tiny light. Does that even work? So there's the garbage one. That's just a white light. I wonder why. Now let's put the new one in. I'm not gonna take the plastic off yet just so I don't scratch the headlight because it's so pretty. It actually comes with everything, like all the attachments, just not the plugs or the lights. So it comes with this little thing that unscrews as well, which is pretty nice. There's little paper coverings on the new headlight so it doesn't get dirt inside of there. Just peel those off. The driver's side headlight is in now, so I can move on to the passenger side. The headlights are in the car right now. It's the next day. I didn't film installing them because it's basically the same thing, just reversed. And I got frustrated, so that's also a reason. It was mostly frustrating because of the fact that there's little tabs on the bottom of the headlight that go into the bracket. I don't know, I guess. Those tabs wouldn't slide in. So I had to take the whole bracket off the car and connect it to the headlight out of the car and then put the bracket back on, which means the front bumper had to come off, which I was trying to avoid. So, you know, I should have done that in the first place, but look, you know, I think they're pretty good. The brights, I don't know if this is like a common thing on G5s or not, or Cobalts for that matter, you know. The brights aren't much brighter than the actual headlight itself, so that, you know. Okay. Hi, Mom! Also, what I did, I'll show you. I installed the mesh on the bottom of the grill. I took the black piece out, and then I used hot glue around the back of it, and then folded it over the back. I didn't film that because I was trying to just get the hang of it. Before I actually, you know, showed you on the top part, I will film, just as like a, you know, this is how you do it. I think this video will end here. The next video should have a little more sanding, and then hopefully, fingers crossed, we get to prime and paint. Because that's what I'm looking forward to. And clear coat. You can't, no, clear coat, yes. I just hate sanding. It's very tedious. I don't like it. But it's gonna end here. So, if you like me, subscribe. That'd be great. If you kind of like me, and you like the video, maybe just a little bit. That's it. See ya!